door, ma'am. Everything's gonna be okay.
Our safety systems are working.
Safety systems are completely failing.
We're very safe in here.
The occupants are in imminent mortal danger.
This is your last chance.